How to say the alphabet in Greek. Alpha, veta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lamda, mi, ni, xi, omicron, π, ρ, σίγμα, ταφ, ύψιλον, φ, χ, ψ, omega. And that's how to say the alphabet in Greek.